Mtungwa, you don't believe this. You won't believe this, Mtungwa. Everything, thank you, Mtungwa. Everything was very cheap, Mtungwa. Look at this, Mtungwa.
Where is the meat?
Yeah?
Where is the meat? I'm sent you to buy meat in the shop.
Ooh, Mtungwa, wait. No, meat for what? Check this one, Mtungwa.
You buy Gucci?
Yes, Mtungwa. It was very cheap.
Gucci?
Gucci, Mtungwa. What do you think?
Another Gucci?
Yes, Mtungwa. You know, yeah, we hard work, Mtungwa. Oh, not forgetting the hair.
Another Gucci?
No, human hair, 100% human hair. Mtungwa.
How I'm going to eat the whole month? Oh, woman, you kill me for paid. Got you for paid. See, you know, woman. See. Hello, boss.
Yes, come on.
Hey, I don't know what I'm start, but I'm can't to job.
Huh?
My Wi-Fi is finished all the month.
What
It's
is it?
suspended all the month.
Huh?
So I can't come to job. I don't have the money for the tax.
Come on.
So I can't. I don't know what
Come
to eat for this captain. My wife is a buy cushies.
Come on.
I'm so sorry, boss. So bad, boss.
Come on.
Hey, woman, you kill me. I'm going to sleep. Hey, I'm not fine.
Mtungwa.